Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. This week we have a request from a community member and her name is Melanie and she writes, "Hi Miss Planet, hi Melanie. My younger sister is getting married soon and she has relinquished all control over the wedding planning to me and a friend. I am her only attendant and I'm planning everything including her bridal shower, bachelorette party, and wedding. No pressure, right?" Whew, Melanie, that's a lot. So she wants a fall inspiration hocus pocus pumpkin type centerpiece. She's really loving this pearlized blue pumpkin in the picture. I just have no idea how to bring it all together. Well, Melanie, no worries. Not only are we going to show you how to bring this idea together, we're going to give you all the links to all the supplies so you have everything you need to create this beautiful tablescape for your sister's wedding. Well, guys, what are we waiting for? Let's get started with this week's episode, Pearlized Pumpkin Wedding Centerpiece. Okay, guys, let's get to it. Let's get started by creating that pearlized effect on our foam pumpkin. Now for our example, I have just a 5-inch pumpkin. You can do a 5 to a 7-inch pumpkin. 5 inches if you want a smaller centerpiece and 7 to 8 inches if you want a larger centerpiece. So the first thing I did is I primed the foam pumpkin with a buttercream acrylic paint and let that dry. Then I went ahead and painted over it with our pearlized blue paint. That way you have it set, you don't have the bumps or the kind of dimpling from the foam, and it just creates a nice smooth surface to work with. So for this particular project, I'm using the 7.5-inch foam pumpkin. I wanted a larger setting, but it's completely up to you. So I wanted to show you how to create a bonus little mini centerpiece. These are where you can alternate on tables. You can do this little smaller mini centerpiece with just some floating candles or some tea lights just to offset the larger ones. Or if you want a larger setting, you can put it all together in one. We're using the same exact materials that we used in the larger pumpkin centerpiece to make it that much more simple. And voila, there you have it, a mini version. Well, Melanie, how did we do? I hope you like it as much as we liked creating it for you. I absolutely adore the pearlized paint color. It just looks so fresh and just beautiful, almost like a little Tiffany pumpkin centerpiece. I hope you like it as much as we do. Well, guys, if you like the centerpiece, by all means, like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted. And if you have a question or a comment, feel free to drop it right down there in the comment section. Don't forget, all of the links to all of the supplies are always in the description right below the video. Just click on that little show more button and everything you need is right there at your fingertips. Well, if you would like to hang out some more with us, feel free to head over to our social media. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and don't forget our very special Pinterest page. Head on over there and just hang out with us some more. In addition to that, if you haven't already signed up for your Rakuten account, formerly known as Ebates, I don't know what you're waiting for. They pay you to shop. This is an awesome time to get some of those bulk items you need for your weddings or your events. And it's so simple. You just go down to our description, click on the link, sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check at the end of the month. It is really that simple. So guys, our time has come to an end. It always goes by so fast. I want to thank you for spending time with us. You have so many options on YouTube, and we do not take you hanging out with us lightly. If you would like to submit a project request, you have two ways to do that. You can head on over to our website, MissPlanet.com, by clicking right there in the arrow or clicking the link in the description. Click on the project request tab and follow the very simple instructions. Check out our brand spanking new website. I'm loving how it's helping everyone, and I would love to hear what you think about it. So head on over to our website, MissPlanet.com, for more cost-saving tips, instructions for our projects, free resource library. There's just so much there. I cannot wait for you to share with you guys. So head on over to our website, MissPlanet.com. Okay, guys. Well, until next time, always remember, when every penny counts, you can count on Miss Planet. Please take care of yourself. We'll see you soon. God bless.